everybody, welcome back to another cash stuffing video. From the first video that I put out till now, I have actually spent a lot of money. We had Easter holidays and we had half term. With Easter holidays and then we had a bank holiday, sorry. And honestly, like literally just all my money just went away. We also went to Devon for a day or a day and a half. And just a lot of stuff has happened that literally my money has just gone, vanished. It has literally just vanished. Unexpected bills have come in, which, as you know, this is new to me, so I'm still getting the hang of it. I'm not 100% versed in it. I'm trying to figure it out as best as I can for the budget that I have, which was £100 a week, but now I'm gone up to 200 because I find that it's easier to manage and that I'm not I can save better, I think, on 200. Well, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. My income is about 800 a month. So it's about 200 a week, really. So I have to look into paying the bills I have and feeding a family of 5 as well every week. And I'm trying to not dig in too much because we're trying to save for a house. So, you know, we're just going as we are here. So I got this little book off Amazon. It was £8, really cheap. It's exactly like everybody else's ones that you see all over Instagram and Etsy and whatever. I just can't afford them. Even though I would love to support a small business, it is just not where I am with my money stuff. So you get these 14 little pockets, and as you can see, I've written some stuff down for whatever the bills are. Now today I have gone and paid my council tax, so that one is now empty. Actually, where did I put that one? Hold on. I thought I had taken the wallet out, but it turns out I hadn't. The council tax one is still in here. Phew, I thought I left it at the post office. So today's budget, what I've left over after paying the council tax. So bearing in mind I had £35 here and then I took 200 out. So I have 20, 40, 45, 50, £60. So that has to do me the week and pay some bills. Now I was lucky that yesterday my partner went and paid for some food. So I'm going to put £20 into the food wallet because I don't think I will spend a full £20. But we'll see. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. Next one I'm putting money into is the Argos one. What way is this going? Oh, this way. I'm going to put money into the Argos one. So I'm going to I'll put a tenner in there actually, so I don't want to be leaving myself short. And we close her over. For the water this week, I'm going to put in a 5. I'll close that one over. The council tax. I'll put in 5, I think, or I'll put in the 20. What else have I? I can't put anything into the holiday today. I might put in the 20. 20 back into the council tax because that is one of the higher bills I have. Holiday, nothing. House, nothing. Sports, nothing. Boys, bed. Do you know what? I'm actually going to put in a new one, which is childcare, because I have Saoirse in a childminder's one morning a week. So I'm going to start budgeting that. So childcare. Just so that I always find sometimes I do be running short on that. Even though she's always paid on time. But I like to be on top of these things. Okay. It's a very new pocket. Hadn't even been opened. So what I do is I have a little pink docket tape. And write on the sticky side what it is and then just put it in. Mine is really, really simple. So my food, and then you see anything that's on this side here, as you can tell, anything that's closed is on this side. So these ones are all closed. They all have a little bit of money in them. And these ones that are all on the left hand side are all open, which means there's no money on them. So you know what you have and what you haven't. It's kind of like an easy little thing to get. So I have 20 in my food, 10 in my Argos. I need to start paying more off the Argos. Actually, I might put a £5 back in there just because I need to start getting rid of that. The water bill, I've put a £5 in. Council tax, 20 back in. Holiday, I have a tenner. House, I have a £5. Sports is another tenner. I haven't put anything in the boys' beds or the childcare or the miscellaneous or the Christmas one yet. The miscellaneous is usually birthdays. Actually, I need to do a birthday one. That's what I'll do today. I'll do a birthday one. So I have birthdays coming up, and my budget for birthdays is £5 per kid. do I have a birthday one? It's like a dream to me I do. No, Christmas is the last one. Okay, so we're going to do a birthday box. And next week, when I take out my 200 from next week, I hopefully don't have too much bills next week. I don't think. I know I have the water rates is next week, but I'll be able to put more into that, so it'll be fine. And then I'm going to try and pay off a little bit more on my Argos card, because I have only about £90 left, I think, on it. So if I can get rid of that, it'll just leave me in a good clear space, and then I can start tackling the Very. Like, I do pay off a bit of Very every month, but not enough that, well, everything is still interest free because I'm still paying it off ahead of its time. It's not due till September, and Argos is due in July. So with the way I'm going, it'll still all be paid off before its actual due date, so which is good. Then I have the beds to pay off for the boys. They are due to be paid off in January the 2nd. So that's a big one. So I'm trying to get as much as I can off that. Fingers crossed. So we'll keep going. That's where we are at. That is today's cash stuffing done. It's just a little one today. Not too bad. And not too good either, I suppose. But look, it's better than nothing. At least we still have a little bit. And I feel good knowing that I have this little bit of cash here. And the things are being paid off. And we're getting in a good spot with our money. Even if half of them will still wind up being a little bit empty. We'll get there, folks. We'll get there. Alrighty, thank you again so much for watching this video. It's just a little quick one. Keep saving those coins. I'm going to be doing I think it's called a penny saving challenge or something like that. So I have some coins saved here. I have no idea how to really work it yet. And again, I have to make the actual sheet that it comes on because I am not paying. I don't care how much it is. It might only be £2. I have enough arts and crafts stuff here. I'm pretty sure I can make one of them little challenge sheets myself. And it might be actually relaxing to actually colour it in and just, you know, do it that way. But I need to figure out what the denominations are to put into it so that I can cross them out and whatever. I will be doing that as soon as I have it drawn up and ready to rock and roll. That'll be the next video. I think I might do that before I get my money next week. But anyhow, we'll see how we get on. Folks, I'm going to love yous and leave yous. Thank you again so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you like this kind of content. I love having you here. You all know that. Yeah, see you soon. Keep saving, folks. We're nearly there. Bye.